Welcome to Mastering Game Dev's Font Selection Secrets. In this video, we'll dive deep into the art of choosing the perfect typeface for your game. From understanding different typeface categories to practical tips and real-world examples, we've got you covered. There are three main types of typefaces: body, caption, and display. Each serves a unique purpose. Display typefaces are intricate and designed for large-sized text, making them perfect for titles and headers. Body fonts prioritize readability at average reading sizes, while caption fonts have taller X heights for better readability in smaller text. When selecting a typeface, consider its intended use, the theme of your game, and how it complements other screen elements. For instance, a serif font can evoke a sense of history and tradition, while a sans serif font feels modern and clean. Always align your typeface choice with the overall aesthetic and functionality of your game. The setting of your game plays a crucial role in typeface selection. Is your game set in an Old West or steampunk universe? The right typeface can add depth and authenticity to these settings. Serif fonts often appear older due to their historical design, while sans serif fonts, popular since the 1890s, can give a futuristic or contemporary feel. Your typeface choice should also depend on how it will be used. For logos, intricate designs can work well, but for body text, opt for fonts with clean lines. Fonts with larger X heights make reading easier, especially for body copy. Always test your typeface at different sizes to ensure readability across various contexts. If your game will be available in multiple languages, ensure the typeface supports each language appropriately. Open Sans, for example, supports many Roman alphabets. However, moving beyond Latin into Cyrillic or Asian scripts can be challenging, as no single typeface accommodates all alphabets used in these cultures. Choose a font with multiple faces when possible. A versatile typeface should include regular, bold, and italic styles, and ideally feature a range of weights from ultralight to black. This variety allows for consistent yet flexible use across different parts of your game, maintaining legibility and aesthetic harmony. Licensing can be complex. For commercial use, you might need a desktop license to install the font on your computer, a web license for embedding it into a website, and an app license for mobile applications. Free typefaces often require attribution, which can be as simple as adding a note to the About page. Let's look at some games that have mastered typeface selection. Yogg uses a hand-drawn typeface for its elegant textual interactions, enhancing its handcrafted aesthetic. Dishonored employs a distressed serif font to reflect its ancient, powerful kingdom. Guacamelee features a hand-cut typeface that complements its cheerful, papercraft-like aesthetic. Monument Valley uses a geometric sans serif typeface, similar to Futura, to match its minimalistic design. Lastly, Metro Last Light uses multiple sans serif fonts to create an eclectic, cobbled-together feel, perfectly suiting its post-apocalyptic world. By understanding these principles and examples, you'll be well-equipped to choose the perfect typeface for your game, enhancing both its aesthetic and functionality. Happy designing!